What's up, guys? Good afternoon. Welcome back to the channel. Just got a quick upload today talking about window switches. These things in the 3rd gen Dodges are terrible. I've never had a 2nd gen, so I'm not sure. 4th gen, I hope they improved it. But these little tabs right here, there's plastic. It screws in. There's 2 more at the bottom right here. They break all the time. Also, these little clips on the side, as you can see from the other side, are all gone. They're broken. Oh, here's one right here. But that's what holds it into the door. They break all the time, especially because this thing's like 13, almost 14 years old. And these switches get worn out. So my auto button for the driver window doesn't work. Half the time I have to hold it, which it's still like the window will go up and down every single time, but the auto button won't click in. So we got a new one. Super easy. I think it was $30 for both of these pieces. You can order them separately if you only need one. I decided to go ahead and get both of them, and brand new plastic. It's not as brittle because it's not old. You're gonna use the old screws, the old hardware to screw this in there. It's super simple. These 2 plugs right here. Just unplug and plug the new one in, and the little clips that are on the side of this thing are held in here. You don't have to take the door panel off. It can make it easier if you want to go in from the back side, but there's not really any room from the back side either. So you can just pry it out with a little flathead or Phillips head screwdriver and pry these out. There's a little button right there on both of them. Super quick job, really simple. And guys, if I can make one recommendation for you, test these before you put it back in the door. But you can see they just clip in there just like that. You got plenty of slack to play with. If I can find my keys, figure out what I did with them, and we'll make sure that everything's working. Works. Auto works. And mirrors. Everything works. So there you have it, guys. This was literally not even 5 minutes. However long the video was how long it took me to do it. I didn't cut anything out, and it's super simple. So if it's something that's been bugging you for a while, it's cheap, it's easy, it's fast, and you can keep going down the road. So I hope you guys enjoyed this upload. Please subscribe for more content to come weekly. I try to upload every Sunday. Hit that bell so you know when I post a video, and I hope you have a blessed day. Thanks. We'll see you. Oh, look how good that looks. Brand new. No wiggling. It's in place. Move the switches. Doesn't try to come out of its place. Couldn't ask for more for a $30 fix.